Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. On this Tiguan we're going to go over how you would replace your fog light. You've got one on both sides, down here in the bottom of the bumper. To gain access to this fog light, we would be able to take out 2 bolts in the fender well and be able to reach in there and to remove the bulb itself. So we'll go to that. So we'll have 1 bolt here and 1 bolt here. If this fender well is pretty it's broken, so we have an access panel here, but if you undo these 2, you'll be able to pull this back and be able to reach your hand in there and be able to undo that. So you'll want to undo the connector first by squeezing the tab at the bottom and pulling down. You'll have to undo the connector first because a lot of times they'll lock on the tab to be able to get this out. It holds it into place. And now, once you've undone the connector, and you can reach in, turn that a 1/4 turn to the counterclockwise, and then just be able to get that light bulb to come out. And then you get a new one to put back in, and this bulb here is a 9006, so you can get a new 9006 to be able to reinstall. Do the same thing, or in the reverse order, by getting it lined up in there. You'll have that at your 1/4 turn to the right, the light element itself, that's the orientation, and then be able to just get it in there by pressing on it. It's now up, straight up and down, and then remake your electric connection, and then put your 2 bolts back in on your fender well, and that is how you would replace your fog light on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.